Today we are starting with the next part of the transition element. That is the second heading we are having here is what? Inner transition inner transition elements are also called as a block element. The second part of the chapter, like we have in this chapter, we have two parts. The first part is transition element, and second part is inner transition element. So today we are starting with the second heading, that is inner transition element. And inner transition element are also called as a block element. Okay, a block element. Now, why they are called as a block? Now, first we'll see the meaning of this. The elements in which last electron, the element in which last electron enter into n minus 2 f orbital are called as a block element. See here, 1 minute. The element in which last electron, जो हमारा last electron है, last electron enters into which orbital? n minus 2 f orbital are called as the f block element. मतलब अगर हमारा last electron कहाँ पे entry करेगा? n minus 2 f shell or n minus 2 f orbital are called as the f block element. For example, see, this is like we are having the center, the nucleus, then the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit, fifth orbit, and last will be the sixth orbit. Now here, this is outermost orbit, outermost is called as the N. The outermost shell or outermost orbit called as the N, outermost shell. Then inner to that, the inner to that is called as a penultimate shell. The second last is called as a penultimate shell. It is called as the N minus 1. Outermost shell is called as the N. Second last shell is called as a penultimate shell, that is N minus 1. And second last, third last is called as a pre-penultimate shell, that is N minus 2. See here, this is outermost shell, can be called as what? N. Second last shell is called as a N minus 1 because 1 to N, inner to N, which is also called as a penultimate shell. and the third last shell is called as a third last shell is called as a pre-penultimate shell, and that is called as n minus 2. तो ये जो हमारा प्री पेनल्टीमेट शेल है, यहाँ पे भी कौन कौन से ऑर्बिटल रहेंगे, s ऑर्बिटल, p ऑर्बिटल, d ऑर्बिटल है, लेकिन हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे एंट्री करेगा, f में एंट्री करेगा, तो n minus 2f. That's why it is called as the pre-penultimate shell or n minus 2f shell. See here, our electron is not going into the outermost shell. Our electron is not going into the penultimate shell, but our electron is going into which shell? Pre-penultimate, मतलब penultimate के अंदर वाला. That is third last shell. मतलब अगर simple English में बोलोगे, तो it is called as a third last shell. मतलब third shell from the outside. Third shell from the outside, and third shell from the outside is called as a third last shell, which is also called as the pre-penultimate shell, or which is also called as the n minus 2 f shell. Okay, so that is here. So what is the definition here of the F block? The element in which last electron enters into n minus 2 f orbital, and n minus 2 f orbital, which one? Pre-penultimate shell, मतलब थर्ड लास्ट शेल में, और कौन से ऑर्बिटल में इलेक्ट्रॉन एंट्री करेगा, f ऑर्बिटल में इलेक्ट्रॉन एंट्री करेगा. So the element in which last electron enters into the n minus 2 f orbital are called as the f block element. Or we can also say here the last electron enter into f orbital of pre-penultimate shell. The last electron enters into the f orbital of pre-penultimate shell. Okay, next one, f block element F block elements are called as inner transition element. F block element are also called as a inner transition element. Now why inner transition? See here, in the last time, in case of D block element, our electron enters into which orbital? Penultimate shell. Penultimate means what? N minus 1. And if electron enters into the penultimate shell, we call the element as ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. मतलब अगर हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन n माइनस 1 मतलब पेनल्टी शेल में अगर सेकेंड लास्ट शेल में अगर एंट्री मारेगा तो ट्रांजिशन. अभी हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन उसके अंदर जा रहा है और मतलब पेनल्टीमेट के अंदर है, इसलिए उसको नाम क्या दिया हुआ है? प्री पेनल्टीमेट. तो अगर हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन प्री पेनल्टीमेट में जाएगा तो इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. देखो, अगर हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन सेकेंड लास्ट शेल में मतलब n माइनस 1 में अगर चला जाएगा तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स. और अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉन प्री पेनल्टीमेट मतलब कहाँ पे जा रहा है? थर्ड लास्ट शेल. थर्ड लास्ट शेल मतलब कहाँ पे जा रहा है? n माइनस 2 f में जा रहा है. इसे क्या बोलोगे आप? इनर. मतलब अगर सेकेंड लास्ट में इलेक्ट्रॉन चला जाएगा तो ट्रांजिशन. सेकेंड लास्ट के और अंदर वाले शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन चला जाएगा तो इसे क्या बोलोगे आप? इनर transition element. So here the F block elements are called as a inner transition element. Why? Because the electron enters to n minus 2 f orbital, n minus 2 orbital. Because अगर हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन n minus 1 में एंट्री करेगा तो ट्रांजिशन. तो उसके अंदर वाले शेल में अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन एंट्री करेगा, n minus 2 में अगर एंट्री करेगा तो क्या बोलोगे आप? इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट. So we have just seen what is the meaning of a block element. What is a block element? The element in which last electron enters into n minus 2 f orbital are called as the f block element. और अगर आपको n minus 2 f orbital नहीं बोलना तो आप क्या बोल सकते हो? Last electron enters into f orbital of pre-penultimate shell. F orbital of pre-penultimate shell, and f block element are also called as inner transition element. F block element are called as inner transition element. Okay. Now we'll see their position, where they are placed in the periodic table. 1 minute. Okay, now next heading will go for their position. Position of F block element. Where is the position? Where do they lie in the periodic table? Now normally if I'll just draw a periodic table here, then we know that normally on the left side we are having which element? S block element. S block element. So here we are having the group 1 and group 2, and these elements are called as S block element. Then here in between we are having the element, and then right side we are having the element. Here we are having the element are called as group number 13 to group number 18, and 13 to 18 are called as a P block element, are called as a P block element. So element on the left hand side are called as a S block, element on the right side are called as a P block, and here this is here we are having group number 3, group number 4, group number 5, so on until the last group number 12. And this group number 3 to group number 12 are called as a D block element. See here, group 1 and 2 are called as a S block element. 13 to 18 are called as a P block element, and 3 to 12 are called as a D block element. Then we know that here in the series, these are vertical columns are called as a group. Horizontal row, the first row, here the first row, second row, third row. Then we have the fourth row, fifth row, sixth and seventh, because we know that vertical column are called groups. Vertical columns are called as groups. Horizontal rows are called period. The horizontal rows are called as the periods, and vertical columns are called as the group. So now in a period number 6 and group number 3, here we have the element called as LA. LA, and whose atomic number is 57. Okay, so in group number 3, group 3 and period 6, group 3 and period 6, here we have the element, they are called as lanthanoid, and group 3 and period 7 here AC atomic number 89, that is they are called as group 3. So here see that this is group 3 and period 7. Group 3 and period 7 element are called as a actinoids. Correct. So here and all together they are called as which element? A block element. They all together are called as a block. So we know that group 3 and period 6 we are having the element called as a lanthanoids, and group 3 and period 7 we are having the elements are called as the actinoids, and all together they are called as a F block element. They all together are called as a F block element. So if they ask the question, what is the position? What is the position of F block elements in the periodic table? If you get the question, what is the position of F block element in the periodic table, then you can say what they are placed in group 3 and period 6th and 7th of periodic table. What is the position of the block element? Where the block elements are placed? That they are placed in the group number 3 and period number 6 and 7. But lanthanoids and actinoids together are called as a block element. So what is the position? They are in group number 3 and period number 6 and 7. So here they are placed in the group number 3 and period number 6 and 7 of the periodic table. Okay, they are placed in the group number 3 and period number 6 and 7 of the periodic table. So basically we have two types of the block element. One series are called as lanthanoid, second series are called as actinoid. Okay. So 1 minute. So here I'll say here a block element are of two types. The first type of the block element are called as lanthanoids. Second type of the elements are called as actinoids. The first part are called as lanthanoid. Now why lanthanoid here? Because we have the first element, lanthanum, whose atomic number is 57. The first element, lanthanum, whose atomic number 57, and followed by lanthanum, we are having the element cerium, 58, 2, lutetium 71. These are the 14 elements. These are 14 एलिमेंट. देखो सीरियम 58 एटॉमिक नंबर से लेके लुटेशियम LUTECIUM लुटेशियम 71, 58 से 71, तो टोटल कितना आ जाएगा 14 एलिमेंट. दिस 14 एलिमेंट shows their properties similar to lanthanum. तो ये जो हमारे 14 एलिमेंट्स है, कौन से 14 एलिमेंट? सीरियम से लेके लुटेशियम तक, ये जो 14 एलिमेंट्स है, they shows their properties similar to whom? They shows their properties similar to lanthanum, and because they show the properties similar to lanthanum, okay, show their 14 elements shows their properties similar to lanthanum, and therefore they are called as lanthanoids. They are called as lanthanoids. Okay. And one more point I can say here, in lanthanoids, 4f orbital is filled up. In lanthanide 4f orbital is filled up with electron. मतलब लैंथनाइड में इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे जाएगा? f ऑर्बिटल में. कौन से f ऑर्बिटल में चला जाएगा? 4f. In lanthanide 4f orbital is progressively filled up. In case of lanthanide 4f orbital is progressively filled up. Okay. Next, now we'll start. So what is lanthanides here? In lanthanide, the first element lanthanum, जिसका atomic number 57 है. लैंथनम जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर 57 है, वो एक्चुअली ए ब्लॉक एलिमेंट नहीं है, लेकिन उसके बाद 58 से लेके 71, ये जो 14 एलिमेंट्स है, ये जो 14 एलिमेंट्स है, इनके प्रॉपर्टी किसके तरह रहेंगे? their properties are similar to as what? Lanthanum. And because their properties are similar to lanthanum, they are called as a lanthanoid. They are called as a lanthanoid. And in lanthanoid, 4f orbital is progressively filled. मतलब कौन सा orbital fill up करते हो रहेगा? 4f रहेगा. Now similarly, the other side here. Now here also we have the first element, that is actinium, whose atomic number is 89. The first element actinium atomic number 89. But actinium के बाद हमारे पास element है 90. 90 is the atomic number of thorium से लेके the element (103) lawrencium. See here. So thorium atomic number 90 to lawrencium 103. Again here we are having the 14 elements. Again we have the 14 elements. Thorium से लेके lawrencium. These 14 elements shows their properties similar to actinoids. Similar to actinium. So this 14 element shows their properties similar to actinium. This shows properties similar to actinium, and therefore they are called as actinoids. Therefore, they are called as actinoids. See here again, I'm repeating here. Actinium is the first element, atomic 80 number. ये block element नहीं है, D block element. जैसे यहाँ पे हमारा lanthanum जो है, lanthanum कौन सा element है? D block element है. Similarly हमारे यहाँ पे जो actinium जो है, actinium भी हमारा कौन सा element आ रहा है? D block element है. लेकिन actinium के बाद 90 थोरियम से लेके lawrencium 103 ये 14 elements है. They shows their properties similar to actinium and therefore they are called as actinoids. And in actinoids, phi f orbital is progressively filled up. In actinoids, phi f orbital is progressively filled up. मतलब यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑर्बिटल, यहाँ पे भी इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन से ऑर्बिटल में चला जाएगा? f में, लेकिन कौन से f में चला जाएगा? phi f में. So in lanthanide, the electron will enter into which orbital? 4f orbital. And in actinoids, the electron will enter into which orbital? Phi f orbital. Okay. So we have seen here there are two type of the block element. One series is called as a lanthanoid. Second series is called as a actinoids. Why it is called as lanthanoid series? Because here the first element is lanthanum, which is actually a D block element. But then 58 से लेके 71 तक ये जो 14 elements है, they shows their properties similar to lanthanum, and therefore they are called as a lanthanoid. And in lanthanoid, the 4f orbital is progressively filled up. What is actinides here? यहाँ पे actinium first element है जिसका atomic number 89 है, D block element है. लेकिन 90 से लेके 103 तक ये जो elements है, these 14 elements shows their properties similar to actinium, and therefore they are called as actinoids. And in actinoids, the 5 orbital is progressively filled up. And we know the position here. The F block elements are placed in the group number 3 and period number 6 and 7 of the periodic table, correct? But lanthanides are placed in the group 3 and period 6, and actinoids are placed in the group 3 and period number 7. So in the exam, if they ask the question, what is the position of the A block? Then A block are in group number 3 and period number 6 and 7. Okay. And what is the position of the only lanthanide? The only lanthanide is group 3 and period number 6. And only actinoid is group number 3 and period number 7 of the periodic table. Okay. Now we'll go for the electronic configuration. So I'm showing you in the periodic table here. In the periodic table, if you'll see very clearly, see in the periodic table, see here the La. La is a D block element, correct? La का atomic number 57. 57 से लेके 71 तक, देखो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली 72 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली 72 आ रहा है, तो 57 से लेके 71. 57 La का एटॉमिक नंबर, करेक्ट? तो 58 यहाँ पे 57 La है और यहाँ पे 58 है, तो 58 से काउंट करोगे तो 58 से अगर आप काउंट करोगे तो 58 से लेके 58 से मतलब सीरियम से लेके lutetium 71. These 14 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These 14 elements shows their properties similar to what? La, and therefore they are called as the lanthanum. Similarly here see actinum, atomic number 89. 89 atomic number is actinium. Then 90 से लेके 90 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These 14 element Lorentzian tab, they show their properties similar to whom actinium, and therefore they are called as actinoid. So again, I'm repeating here. La means lanthanum and AC means actinium. They are the D block element. But 58 से लेके 71 element are showing properties similar to lanthanide. Therefore, they are called as lanthanoid. And thorium से लेके Lawrencian तक, these are the 14 elements shows their properties similar to actinium, and therefore they are called as actinoids. And they are placed separately at the bottom of the series. This is the first series. This is called as the first inner transition series, and this is called as the second inner transition series, or this is called as the 4F series, and this is called as a 5F series. Okay, I'll write one more point here. Lanthanide is called as a first inner transition series. Lanthanide is called as a first inner transition series, and actinoid is called as a second inner transition one minute. Second, so we know that lanthanide are called as the first inner transition series, and actinoids are called as the second inner transition series. Okay. Now we'll be going for the electronic configuration. So first we are having the atomic number. Atomic number start from 57. Actually, 57 atomic number is of lanthanum. Symbol is La, and its electronic configuration, because lanthanum के पहले inner पास कौन सा आएगा? Xenon 4F0 5D1 6S2. देखो आपको लैंथनम 57, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 57 है, सिंबल La है. एक्चुअली कौन सा एलिमेंट है? डी ब्लॉक. देखो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे एंट्री करे? डी ऑर्बिटल में. तो ये हमारा डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है. डी ब्लॉक करेक्ट. F0 है, मतलब F ब्लॉक एलिमेंट नहीं है. करेक्ट. 57 के बाद राइट ऑन ऑल द एटॉमिक नंबर. 58 is atomic number of cerium. I'll write all the name first. 59 is TRASEO, praseodomium. Symbol is PR. Then 60. I'll write all atomic numbers: 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and 71. Then I'll write down the name of all the elements. 60 is a neodymium. Symbol is Nd. 61 is promethium. Symbol is Pm. 62 is 61 is promethium. samarium, sm, europium, eu, gadolinium, gd, terbium, tb, dysprosium, dy, hormium, ho, erbium, er, thulium, tm, ytterbium, yb, and lutetium, lu, te, tium, lu. Correct. So these are the 14 elements, including lanthanum, 15 elements. I can repeat. Atomic numbers start from 57 and ends at 71. Element names are lanthanum, cerium, praseodomium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium. Correct. Then symbol lanthanum is La, cerium is Ce, praseodomium is Pr, neodymium is Nd, promethium is Pm, samarium is Sm, europium is Eu, gadolinium is Gd, terbium is Tb, dysprosium is Dy, holmium is Ho, erbium is Er, thulium is Tm, ytterbium is Yb, and lutetium is L. These are their symbol. Now we'll write down the electronic configuration. Now lanthanum is written as what? See, always we write in the short form, xenon in the bracket, and here 6s2, 5d1, and 4f0. Now when I write for cerium, I'll write here as what? Xenon, and then here I will write what? 6s2, 6s2. Here I will write 5d0, and here I will write 4f2. F2 कैसे आया देखो, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 57 था, तो जेनॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर 54, 54 प्लस 2, जेनॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर 54, 54 प्लस 2, 56 प्लस 1, 57. करेक्ट. और यहाँ पे अभी 58 है, तो 58 कैसे आएगा यहाँ पे? एक्चुअली ऐसा आना चाहिए था, देखो ऐसा आना चाहिए था, सीरियम xenon is 54, 54 plus 2, 54 plus 2, 56, 57 plus 1, xenon is 54, 54 plus 2, 56, 57 and 58. बट लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होता है, डी का इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो 4f2, 4f2, 5d0, 6s2. तो मैंने क्या किया, F में एक नया इलेक्ट्रॉन आ गया, लेकिन D का इलेक्ट्रॉन भी मैंने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो सीरियम का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या लिखोगे आप? 4f2, 5d0, 6s2. ओके. देखो एक बार वापस, यहाँ पे जेनॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर 54 है, जेनॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर 54 है, 54 और ये 2 कितना हुआ? 56 प्लस 1, 57 प्लस 1, 58. मतलब डी में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जाने के बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे एंट्री कर रहा है? 4f1 में. लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या किया, 4f1 का इलेक्ट्रॉन उधर ही है, डी का भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? 4f2, 5d0, 6s2. इसका मतलब आप अगर आप ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, डायरेक्टली आप क्या लिख सकते हो? 4f2, 5D0 भी नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, और यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे 6s2। अभी प्रेसोडियम में जब यहाँ पे लिखूंगा तो प्रेसोडियम के लिए क्या लिखोगे xenon 6s2, और यहाँ पे चला जाएगा 4f3, 4f3 मतलब 59 है, तो 59 मतलब यहाँ पे 54, 54 प्लस 2 56, 56 प्लस 3 59, करेक्ट। नियोडोमियम क्या लिखोगे आप, xenon, xenon ओके स्टूडेंट, ये जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पार्ट है, दैट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पार्ट विल डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। एटलीस्ट टाइमिंग इतना ही ध्यान में रखो कि एलिमेंट कहाँ से 57 से लेके 71 तक ये उनके सिंबल है, और ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पार्ट विल डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पार्ट विल डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। I'll just stop it over here. Remaining part will do it in the next lecture.